What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create pie charts into your WordPress website using WPBakery Page Builder WordPress plugin, okay? How to do this in a simple, fast and effective method to display your data in an elegant way is what we're gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard. I'm gonna start assuming that you already have the WPBakery Page Builder WordPress plugin installed on your site. If you don't know how to install your plugin, let me know into the comment section below so I can help you. After this, go to the location where you would like to have your pie chart. You can create a new page, you can create a new post. In my case, I'm gonna create a new page. And of course, you can use a previously made post or page, okay? Nothing to worry. As soon as you click on Add New on your WordPress dashboard, left sidebar menus, hover your mouse over page, click on Add New, you're gonna be able to see an editor just like this, okay? Look at this button at the top middle of my screen. The blue button called WPBakery Page Builder. Click on it. Now we have two options right here, okay? The back-end editor and the front-end editor. The back-end editor is the editor that you can see right here into the WordPress dashboard, okay? And you need to preview in order to see what you're gonna look on, how it's gonna look like on the front end. And the front-end editor, it's the one that can be more familiar if you are using Elementor Page Builder, okay? The one that you see the results immediately on the page, just like your visitors gonna see it, okay? We're gonna use the back-end editor to make it simpler, then we're gonna review the front end so I can show you both, okay? Now we're gonna be able to see this option. This is an empty page. Select the layout and start building. We have blank page and theme layout. The theme layout have the header, have the menus, have the footer, the options that your theme adds to your site. And the blank page, it's ideal, it's good for landing pages without footer, without menus, okay? We're gonna use the theme layout. Now we have these three buttons. Start by adding elements or templates. We're gonna click on Add Element with the plus. Scroll this Elements tab window down. And next to the YouTube player, we have Pie Chart, okay? We're gonna click on it. Now all I have to do is hit the Save Change button and preview the page. Into the upper right corner of my screen, next to Publish Page, we have an option to preview the page before publishing it. And here is how it looks like. Let's make it smaller, okay? I'm gonna change the columns. As you can see, the WPBakery apply things into rows. This is a row. If I add a new element right here, gonna be into a new row, and you can move elements between rows, okay? Just clicking into the element, hovering your mouse over it, dragging and dropping, okay? And you can delete elements or rows using the X button. If you hover your mouse over this element, pie chart, there is three buttons: edit, clone, and delete, okay? We're gonna clone it. Next to the place where move the row, now we have columns, and we can change the columns layout for one half and one half, okay? Now I'm gonna move one pie chart from one side and one for another. And here is the results we have. Two columns, okay? Now we're gonna start editing the pie chart one by one. We're gonna click into this pencil icon, edit pie chart. Now we can change the values. We can apply a label value. For example, the unity, the colors. Let's save change and review the results we have. Looks better. The color helps a lot. Let's keep editing. We can apply a widget title. You can change the animation. Let's preview. Now let's publish the page to keep it saved. Go to the page and use the front-end editor. To access front-end editor, you can go from the backend, but if you are on the page while you're logged in on your WordPress website, there is a button next to Edit Page into the top section of your site called Edit with WPBakery. Click on it. And this is gonna load the WPBakery front-end editor. As you can see, it's like the back-end, but you can see the results immediately. For example, if I hover my mouse over this pie chart, click into the pencil to open the editor, and try to change the colors, for example, for a blue one, save change. Now we can see the elements working, okay? Simple, easy, and very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Please, if you are using WPBakery into the front-end editor, always remember to hit the update white button into the upper right corner of your screen. After this, we are good to go. Guys, please don't forget to check out our Borders WordPress plugin. That is the best free WordPress plugin that you can install to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, for Sites.gallery, a place where you can submit your site, your apps, your landing page, or game design. And finally, your visualmodo.com website. In the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of your dreams. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!